Forgive the silly fashion statement, I've got a set of my eyes on the left. We are off to the Hole of Horcum, also known as the Devil's Punchbowl, which is about a 17-mile drive away from our current residence for the long weekend. Just north of Thornton Le Dale off the A170, near Pickering. So we're going to head up there. We've got a drone. We've had it since Christmas, flown it once, so we need to give it a go.
Give it a go.
Yep, and see how we get on with it this evening. Yeah, we'll check in later. See ya. Devil's Punchbowl, or the Hole of Horcum as it's called. Very peaceful, very still, very big.
It's big, heavy.
So, there we go. So I think we're heading down into the bottom of it. This beautiful spring evening.